Hello ma'am, I'm Gopinath, you are booked in CS354. Now I'm going to show you the database 9th experiment of Java database connectivity. So this is by using the front end of application of the Java database, Java application. I'm going to insert the data inside the database which is in the backend. So here I imported the SQL function SQL package inside that, so I imported using here, and I created a class as demo database demo. Inside the public start void main, I'm trying try catch one second ma'am. Yeah, here I can able to see. So I am using the two function try and catch. For first class dot for name of this is the driver name of the drive which I want to insert here of the JDBC. So this drive will be this drive will be inserted in the drive manager by using the drive name of this JDBC, and after that for the exception of the class I use this one. And first thing is connection. So connect, initially I'm giving a connection for null and statement as also null. Connection is for connecting, establishing a connection between the database and this Java application. And statement is the setup statement which I'm going to pass through these two intermediate of these two applications. The first thing is driver managers, putting driver manager inside the putting the driver manager inside the database before the connection. So this is the name of that database, and this is the username and password for my to access the database. And after that there's output showing that if I connected or not. For that I created a try and catch. For that I try and catch exceptions you can able to see, and if it is S means I should print out S, and this is a string query insert into state values of this value. So here I'm inserting the values like I'm query which I doing in the database. Here I can able to see insert into table name values of. So I'm setting the values inside this student1 table. So you can able to see this one is already I inserted in my tables, but now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give Gopinath, so I'll show, I can able to show you the updation and not updated part. You can able to see I can show it at the last minute. So before that I have to show the same stuff, and here you can able to see the integer number of, this is the execution part of the query. So taking the string values for here, so s dot execute the update the query. So this query will be go to the table and update each and every time when I'm going to inserting a values inside this Java program. So it will go to the database and update again and again each and every time when I'm going to run this program. And after this you can able to see if it is no means I'll show the exception of the state, and after that here you can able to, this will display the whole table of the insertion. So you can able to select star from stud1. So this will display the what are the data I have been inserted in the table called stud1, and execute the result as rs.s.execute query of st. So this will be execute the result where it will taken from this string. I can able to see the string value as st. So execute query of st. So the final answer will be executed as result set of rs. You can able to see that. So for making this thing again and again, so like for last to display the first data to the last data in the database, I used a while loop here, making some condition as rs.next. So each and every day it will go to the next rows. So this rs.next intersects that it will go to the next column of the database, and it will start to print out the values inside that one by one. So you can able to see that rs.next where it will go to the first row, and it will go to the first row and it will display, and second row it will display, third row it will display. So each and every time there is a data it will display over that. So you can see about that. And after that, if it is no, the exception is here. So I'm going to run the program now, right now. See, I'm running the program right now. Yeah, you can able to see, yes, successful one. So one table is created over there. So let me show you the my SQL command line. So first I go to the username, which is system, and password. So it is connected. Now I'm going to show you the values which I have inserted by using the Java program. Let me show you. Table name is stud1. So you can able to see that, like before that I kept as Gopinath, and after that Gopi, and smaller case of that I can able to see over here. Given the table is updated over here, you can also see which are how much data I have been inserted over there. So you can able to see the set of names and also the newly updated one. So this is the way of updating through the Java Eclipse as JDBC program. Thank you, ma'am.